New Year days and the weather is getting colder, winter finally here. And I want you to be the most stylish guy possible with 7 winter essentials that I believe every guy should have in their wardrobe, starting with number 1, chunky boots, out of the entire list. This is the one you should run, don't walk, run to go get. If you do not have the beauty of boots, I have boots in my wardrobe that I probably bought 4 or 5 years ago. I'm saying every time it's falling winter, I'll pull them out back at it again. It is dollar for dollar, the best investment you can make when it comes to durability, functionality, because it keeps you warm. But also when it comes to your attractiveness and style, it will always be in season. It makes you look taller, it makes you look more rugged, which takes us to number 2, leather jackets. I don't know if you've been paying attention to runways, but I know you've been paying attention to Kanye West, and yes, he has a lot of controversy, but look at the man's style. That's all I care about. The dude has rocking leather jackets, like crazy at every major fashion show. You want to know what that signals? It's coming, and it's coming in hot. This is one of those staples where when you buy it, similar to leather boots, it ain't going anywhere. Leather jackets aren't this trendy piece that you're going to wear for the next 2 years, and then it's gone. It is something that if you buy a quality one, you could easily have for the next 10 years. Again, similar to boots, dollar for dollar, one of the best investments. Number 3, loose knit sweaters. Look, I love sweaters for fall and winter, especially the fitted ones. You look money. It's an easy way to elevate your status. But I think the loose knit sweaters are a move that too many men are ignoring. Look, this loser cut tread is probably not going anywhere for the next 5 years. It's been here for about 5 years, and it's gonna be here for another 5 years. And the loosen, it cut, those are so comfortable. The texture is great because it can level up any outfit. It's a little bit different, and they're cozy for the top coat. If you don't have one top coat, another piece, you have to run. You have to get it. I have about maybe 4 top coats in my wardrobe. I would say half of those I bought about 2-3 years ago. Like when it comes to a top coat, you can't get trendy with that stuff. You buy a good one that cuts right above the knee. So you look taller, that fits right on the body, similar to a suite. You're good to go. You can wear that thing with anything, with a t-shirt, with a hoodie, with a suite, with a dress shirt. You could literally layer anything under that top coat. Instant money. Look, number 5. Gray sweatpants. Gray sweatpants. You already know this is your casual thirst strap, right? These are our yoga pants. When we wear these, women are noticing. I'm telling you, if you don't have and by the way, I always say gray sweatpants. It doesn't have to be great. Gray is great. It's a staple to have, but get different colors. The only thing you're looking for here, quality fabric, something that's thick, that's durable again, that's going to last few seasons, and more importantly, that has room, right? You don't want it to be skin tight to the point that it looks like joggers. Number 6, the puffer vest. Here's where I choose the puffer vest over the puffer jacket. They're both great, but it depends on your area. I believe the puffer vest is more versatile around the world, meaning you can use the puffer vest as a great summer piece over a t-shirt, as a transition additional piece in the fall, where you could put it over a sweater as a layering piece in the winter, where you could put it over a jacket. Like the puffer vest has that versatility, whereas the puffer jacket you can really only use in really cold days, which ultimately rolls us to number 7, and it's what your boy's wearing. A hoodie. And look, I have one rule with hoodies. You should wear them as it was originally designed. If you look at the original designer of Hoodie, which is Champion, they designed that first Hoodie to be a workwear piece right for people and factories that needed to stay warm, and a lot of those hoodies had a loser cut to give those workers more mobility to make them feel more comfortable throughout the day. So in my opinion, when you're looking for a good hoodie, look for a looser cut that keeps you comfortable, keeps you warm, you're ready to go, bro.